In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your PayPal balance and recent transactions on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what you're seeing on the screen, and a few helpful tips to stay confident while you manage your money on the go. First, open the PayPal app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. This is especially important if you manage more than one PayPal profile or if you also use a business account. Use your usual secure sign-in method like Face ID, Touch ID, or your password, and make sure you're on a trusted connection. A quick reminder, keep your login information private and avoid sharing screenshots that display sensitive details. Once you're in, the app will land you on the home screen. Front and center at the top, you'll see your PayPal balance. This is the amount currently available for you to use. If the number looks lower than expected, keep in mind that some funds can be pending or on hold, depending on recent activity or security checks. You may also see your balance shown in your primary currency. If you work with multiple currencies, PayPal may show a converted estimate alongside your main balance. If your balance appears as zero, that simply means you don't have available funds at the moment, which is normal if everything has been transferred out or spent. To look deeper into what's changed your balance, tap that balance area. This will open a detailed view of your recent transactions. Here you'll find a timeline of activity, including payments you've received, purchases you've made, transfers you initiated, and any refunds. Each entry typically shows the date, the merchant or sender, and the amount. You might notice labels such as completed, pending, or on hold, which indicate the current status of each transaction. Pending items generally resolve on their own after the payment clears or the transfer finishes processing. As you scan the list, take a moment to confirm that the amounts and dates line up with what you expect. This is a simple way to keep tabs on your spending and incoming funds in real time. If you see something unfamiliar, don't panic. Sometimes merchant names appear differently than the store brand you recognize. Give it a closer look and if needed, follow up through PayPal's help section later. That's all there is to it. Open the PayPal app, confirm you're in the right account, check your balance at the top, and tap it to see your latest transactions.